Hey folks, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues again. A rare video from the workshop because I've been busy at the mobile homes trying to get them ready to be rental properties, and we've been making repairs, and now we're getting ready to clean. I read about this Chapin Pro Series backpack sprayer that allows you to spray water and bleach on the outside vinyl and to get it quite clean, so I heard. So anyway, this is the box it came in. As you see, it's 4 gallon, 15 liters. This is the product. You had to do a little assembly. As you see, I got the wand here. I got it a little pressurized. There you go. And you have seal cap, pump, the handle, pressurizing. Not too bad. The instructions were not so good. As I read them, and I'm good at reading instructions, just didn't seem that clear to me. Photos weren't that clear, and the instructions weren't that clear. So I had a little bit of difficulty getting the sprayer nozzle that I wanted, the one that sprays out the wide mist, and it took a little bit to figure it out, but I did. See the photos, not so great. So maybe it's me, but it felt like the instructions. Once I got that figured out, got the pump handle figured out, got the pressurizing system in order, not too bad. It doesn't hold a good charge very long, but he's well made. You have the metric system here, 15 liters, and on the back you have the gallons. Problem with that is they're not color coded. Hard to see, especially in bright daylight. It's not a big deal, but could be a little more clear. This thing holds 4 gallons. That's almost 28 pounds. As a gallon of water weighs about 7 or 8 gallons. You put 4 gallons of water in there and you got about 28 pounds. I don't think it is a backpack, as it says. I don't think I'll be wearing on my back. A little too heavy. As you start working, start spraying, after a few hours, this thing can get pretty heavy. You maybe fill it halfway, but then you have to fill it up again, and it takes a little bit of time, and then you got to repressurize him. But overall, my children played with it today, just full of water, full up. They had a blast, and it did hold the pressure for a few minutes, as I said. But I don't know if I'd wear it on my back. Also, with the instructions, could be a little more clear. Sorry, didn't mean to shake the camera. We'll give it a shot. I'm gonna fill it full of water and a little bleach, and try it on the mobile homes, on the exterior, and see how it goes. I'll let you know how it goes. I'll show you a video of it if I can. So something different from Woodworking Blues. Jay Austin, keep on woodworking.